Greetings everybody, coming to you from my 2024 Mercedes-Benz E350 4matic W214. This is an all-new body style. These have been out for about 2 weeks, so I am one of the pioneers. I wanted in this video to demonstrate some of the voice control functions. Now, I've done some other videos which shows some of the quirkiness of this system, but I've stumbled upon a few. I haven't read the book or anything, so I just wanted to give a little demo. So let's just get right into it. Set driver temperature to 75.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 75 degrees.
Set passenger temperature to 80.
Setting the temperature on the front passenger side to 80 degrees for you now.
I'm cold.
Increasing the temperature to 79 degrees for you now.
Set fan speed to 4.
I'm setting the ventilation to level 4. You should feel the difference in a moment.
Where am I?
Your current location is I-70, Buffalo Township, Pennsylvania.
So that's a few of the things that I've discovered there. Now there's a few that I don't think will work until I get my app set up. I'll demonstrate what it does when it doesn't want to do your request. Open.
In order to use this service, you need online voice control. Please check your Mercedes Me settings.
Well, that's it right there, but let's just try a couple anyway. Open sunroof.
I can't activate this function at the moment.
So that's one that it can't do. And let's try this one. Set cruise control to 72.
Unfortunately, the cruise control can't be operated using voice control.
Well, at least it had a better answer than simply set up your Mercedes Me account.
You need online voice control for this service. Please check your Mercedes Me settings.
Play BPM. So that's kind of cool that you can name the radio station and it will actually go to it. Play liquid metal. Well, it kind of bunged that one up a little bit. Let's try again.
Yes.
Play liquid metal. Okay, that time I got it right. So overall, mostly it's pretty good. I still don't like that it's always listening and will occasionally wake up. Let's try this one. Navigate to the nearest Mercedes dealer.
I found these Mercedes-Benz service locations. Where would you like to go?
The first one.
Let's go.
So it looks like the navigation commands are pretty good.
In 1 mile, move to the left towards I-70 East New Skin. Please follow one of the 2 left lanes.
Cancel route guidance.
Okay, just canceling route guidance now.
Bluetooth. So I'm not sure if it actually did anything there when I made the Bluetooth command, because in order to capture those voice commands on video, I
can do
actually...
things for you whenever you want, such as calling someone, writing text messages, or playing music. Because my heart's in it, I know everything there is to know about driving in your vehicle. For example, you can tell me, "Hey Mercedes, drive me home." Or ask, "Hey Mercedes, is there congestion on my route?" You can also tell me if you're too warm, too cold, or if you're bored or hungry. My goal is to constantly evolve in order to give you the best possible support. Every now and again, just ask me if I've learned anything new. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and wish you a pleasant journey as always.
Have you learned anything new? So it told me to ask it that, but it didn't really know. Let's try it again. Have you learned anything new recently? All right, we'll try it the other way. Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
have you learned anything new recently?
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
Have you learned anything new? Oh, that's funny. Let's try it a different way. Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
what have you learned recently?
In order to use this service, you need online voice control. Please check your Mercedes Me settings.
It was interesting, though, that it went into that whole discussion there, because I had never heard it do that before. I'm actually pretty confident that this is a super sophisticated system that has a whole lot of stuff going on that probably could be like an entire novel of available commands and stuff like that. But the purpose of this video, I just wanted to capture at least some of them and share those with you. I don't think I can think of anything else right off the top of my head, but let's see if I can come up with a couple. Go to home menu. Apps. Settings. I'm cold.
I'm increasing the temperature to 83 degrees.
So it definitely seems like there are a certain finite number of commands that will wake it up other than the trigger word. So I'm learning about this car, and I don't know if that's like AI or just regular programming or whatever. It was interesting, the comment it made about learning stuff. But yeah, so that's it for that. Have a great day, everyone.